Hello there, my friends. So I have Mac, and I'm used to using a PC, so everything is infuriating. If you're with me on that, put it in the comments below. So basically, I hooked up a mouse because this mouse that came with it, Lightning mouse, absolutely, or a Magic mouse, absolutely horrible. So I hooked up this Logitech M720 that I really love. It's a Bluetooth mouse, and it has three different. You can connect with three different devices. So anyway, I've got it set up to hook up with my Mac, and there's a video on that if you want to see that. But anyway, when I'm scrolling, so like here's a list of like the 100 top movies of all time, right? So I'm used to scrolling down. I go towards me, right? So I spin the wheel towards me. Now this mouse doesn't even have that, so like what a pain that is. But the mouse wheel scrolls towards me, but on a Mac, it's set up the opposite, so that when you push, it goes down the list. You scroll away from you. Why does Mac have to be different? Huh? All right, so since I'm weird, according to Mac, and I'm I'm normal, because I use a PC. But anyway, how do we change that? How do we make it so it's just like the PC, so that I don't drive myself crazy every time I go from PC to Mac? Go up here in the corner, all the way here, where the Apple symbol is, right? Let me get my phone here. Okay, so go up to the Apple symbol, pop down, go to System Preferences, okay? Now you can also, because Mac lets you do everything twice, you can also go to System Preferences down here in the toolbar. See how that popped up? System Preferences. All right, so once you get to System Preferences, look for Mouse, and it looks just like this guy. Looks like your Magic mouse. Click on that, go right up here, okay? Scroll direction. And then Mac has the audacity to call it natural. That is not natural. So, okay, so uncheck the box, okay? And then you're done. So let me show you now. So with that box unclicked, I can go back to my list, and if I pull down now, see? So if I pull down towards me, I go down the list. If I push up, I go up the list, right? Up that way, down that way, instead of the other way around. You get what I'm saying, right? And the great thing about this mouse is I have a wheel here. I could scroll this super fast. And also, back in those settings, here, let me figure out how to minimize this. You can also adjust the settings on the mouse so that you can scroll super fast. You can track super fast. You can track super slow. So if you're doing something really detailed, like you're doing something in Photoshop or something like that, you can click, 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 click each little pixel. Or if you're playing like a game and you have a large field of area and you need to like cross a map, you can have it set real fast. Double click speed. You can adjust all those kinds of things. And also, if you're left-handed, you can make the primary mouse button right-handed. But most of us lefties learn how to use our right hands for things that other so-called normals use them for, like scissors and things like that. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, let's see if I don't know if this helped you at all. Keep you sane. Because if you're going from PC to Mac, I got all kinds of videos about going from PC to Mac and that whole trying experience. If this helped you and has any value, smash like for me. That helps me a lot. I'll see you on the next one. And love to hear your comments. Take care.